Hello everyone. So today I'm making creamy chicken fajita bake. I'm starting off with 2 marinated chicken breasts. I added a 1/4 cup of cooking wine, smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, some poultry seasoning, and lemon pepper. Here I have 2 bell peppers, this green one I need to use, and a large onion that I'll be slicing up. Here I have some shredded low moisture mozzarella cheese, a baking dish, and I have some whole milk here because I'm going to be making a cream sauce. So let's get started. I'm going to prep everything. I've preheated a medium to large pan. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to sear and brown my chicken breasts on both sides. For each side, maybe about 2 minutes. Now that my chicken breasts are seared on both sides, I'm going to place them on this baking sheet to rest. They're not fully cooked, but I did get some golden brown color on the exterior. Now I'm going to quickly saute my sliced peppers and onions. I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to place all of my quickly sauteed peppers and onions at the bottom of my baking dish. I'm going to lower the heat, and now it's time to make my cream sauce. I'm going to start with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm going to just melt that down into the pan. To that, I will be adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to quickly combine, and I'm going to cook this for a minute or so, and this is going to create the base or the roux for the cream sauce. I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of whole milk. You'll want to add salt and pepper to taste. So at this point my sauce is done. It has thickened and I have it off the heat. So now it's time to assemble this bake. I'm going to place my chicken breasts over the onions and peppers in my baking dish. Next, I'm going to pour over my cream sauce on top of the chicken breasts. Now I'm going to top with my low moisture mozzarella cheese. Add as much as you like. I'm going for about 6 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to bake this uncovered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken breast is cooked through. The cook time varies depending on the thickness of the chicken that you are using. Once the chicken bake has rested for about 10 minutes, I'm going to serve. I typically like to make a side of Mexican rice or chipotle rice. I will link recipes for that below, and a side salad. But today, we're just going for the chicken bake with the onions and peppers. So good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.